Welcome to the BurningIceTech channel, guys, and welcome to the Microsoft MD-100 course, which is also known as the Windows Client course, or at least that's what the new name for it is since the beginning of 2022. The previous name for this course was Windows 10, in case anyone is wondering, and that has now since been changed by Microsoft due to them including Windows 11 in the new version of this course, which is of course the version which is being covered in this video course. This video series is based on the new version of the MD-100, which was released in the beginning of 2022, which includes Windows 11. Now, this first video of the course is obviously just the course introduction, which explains the short length of this video. The actual course content itself will start from the second video, which will be Module 1. In case someone who is watching this video doesn't know yet, the official Microsoft MD-100 course consists of 13 modules. Within these modules, the content is, well, somewhat mixed at times, but it's a lot. That's the important thing. It's a bit all over the place and it's a lot of content. What I'm going to do with this particular course is I'm going to make a whole dedicated video for each module of this course. So in other words, this course will have 14 videos in total, if you include this short introduction video which we're listening to right now. Fair warning though, the content in each module is a lot. So these videos will be very long, considering each of them will be covering a whole module's worth of content. It's not going to be short. I can pretty much guarantee you each video will be longer than an hour, if not 2 hours in some cases. What I'm going to do for you guys though is I'm going to add timestamps in each video. So if you go look in the video description, well, from module 1 of course, you will find a list of topics that's covered in that specific video with timestamps. And if you click on them, it's going to take you straight to that specific topic in that specific video. So this is obviously going to be great for someone that's just looking for a specific topic, or if you just want to refresh on a certain topic, whatever your situation might be, that's going to really speed things along and it's going to save you a lot of inconvenience. Now, regarding where you guys can access these videos that I've been talking about and bragging about, you should be able to access them all in the same playlist as this video which you're watching right now, which is of course on my channel. If you'd like to know when these videos get uploaded, obviously just hit the subscribe button and you should be informed. If you're still concerned and if you're very paranoid that you might miss something, then of course just go hit the bell icon as well. Now, the purpose of this first video is just to give you folks an idea of what to expect in the course and the series, what the course content will be about, and lastly, for who this course is actually intended. Now, when it comes to the audience, who is the MD-100 course actually intended for? Well, the first group of people who this course is intended for is people who would like to write the Microsoft MD-100 certification exam. So if your purpose is to look for study material of some kind to write this exam, this video course should be more than enough to be able to write the exam and also actually pass it. Now, the second group of people this course is intended for is people just looking to learn more about things like Windows clients in general, maybe specifically Windows 10 or specifically Windows 11, or maybe certain functions, features, or tools on one or both of these operating systems that I've mentioned. The last one is people just looking to solve a particular problem in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Obviously, there is no such thing as someone out there that knows everything in IT. There's no such thing. So not if, but when you find yourself in a situation where you just don't know how to do something or where to do something on Windows 10 or 11, this should be a great place for you to start looking for answers. Alright folks, if you haven't done it already, please give this video a like and also maybe consider subscribing, otherwise, well, obviously you're not going to know when I release these modules. Just in case you guys are new to my channel, I actually do training on all kinds of IT courses. So if you're curious on what other courses I do, you're welcome to go have a peek on my channel. Maybe you'll find something you like. If it's not there yet, the chances are pretty good that it will probably be there in the near foreseeable future. Alright folks, I will continue talking to you in module 1 of this course, which is obviously the next video in this playlist. See you all there.
If you love me, let me know. If you don't, then let me